much fun. And I really enjoyed making it, so I'm so excited to start this. Let's get started. First, we're gonna need 2 pieces of paper, 1 black one and 1 white one. I'm gonna put the black one to the side, and I'm gonna get a plate now. This plate, I just have to be careful because this is, I think, glass. So I'm just gonna get a piece like that, and I'm just gonna mark it. And I'm gonna get my pencil, and my scissors. And then right now we're using the black and white piece of paper. I'm just gonna mark it. Maybe a shorter version will look better. Make sure I'm in the middle. And trace. Better. I like that. I'm gonna use my scissors and cut this out. Like that. Now I'm gonna get my piece of paper, this extra one, and put it to the side. And I'm gonna bring in my black piece of paper, and I'm gonna see if that goes good. Yeah, I like it like that. And now for the fun part, and I'm just gonna see if my hot glue's okay. It's ready. And now I'm just gonna make some squiggles like loops and stuff. Let me just see. Good. And now I'm just gonna make an outline. Be careful so you don't burn yourself. Safety first. Like this. And now I'm gonna you can make lots because this is gonna look like the earth. It's supposed to look like the earth. Now I'm gonna let this dry. And then I'm gonna bring in my watercolor. I'm ready to paint. Gonna open this up. We'll put this to the side. Bring in water my paintbrush first. Put it here. And now green for the earth splotches. Just gonna put a little bit more. Now I'm just gonna get on to the blue paint now. Leave that to dry. So first here, we're gonna need 2 pieces of paper that I cut out, and it's nice and long. Make sure they're kind of the same, and I'm just gonna put some glue here. Don't need to make a lot, to put a lot, but I don't know, I just put a lot. Okay. Let that dry and repeat it 4 more times. I mean, 3 more times because this is one of the legs. So put this to the side and repeat it 3 more times. So I'm gonna get my first one that's probably already dry. It's this one. Now I'm just gonna flip this over. You might have seen me do this on one of my videos that I did the cat with my sister, and we repeated this so it can bounce. I'm kind of copying, but not copying. Piece of glue for the feet. Did I try to make the same? I don't think I made it the same, but it doesn't matter. There. I'm gonna put some glue here all around it. Oopsie, it fell. Okay, I think this is gonna be tricky. Just try your best. Just really be careful. This is the face, by the way. Would you like to have an awkward face? No. It's hot. It's really hot. And I also wrapped the piece of paper around the circle to make the head inside, for like the helmet, kind of. Now I'm gonna get my Sharpie. That is not exciting. Oh, also I forgot about the body. I'm just gonna roll up a piece of paper that's kind of a rectangle. Fold your piece of paper in half, cut lines in your paper, then fold it in half. First you have to cut 4 pieces for 2 arms, and then 4 more pieces for the legs, and then 1 line for the head, and then you're gonna fold, and everything's in the same direction. And then you're gonna fold your piece of paper in half, and then you're gonna cut on the middle, and then that's what you have. This is what you have. Now, I'm just gonna roll it. You can use a toilet paper tube, but I want to do it like this. It's better. This is dry, I think. So now, cut out the accessories. No, excess. Not too short, not too long, just right. Everything's dry now. I'm gonna get my Sharpie finally now. Gonna get another piece of paper so I don't get my table wrecked. Do some There. You don't have to color it if you don't want to, but I'm not gonna color it right now because I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna leave that to the side. Get this back. Get my regular glue. I'm just gonna have to make sure I line everything up. There we go. Now I'm just gonna pop this over here. Put some glue right here on the back. This is pretty easy, by the way. Just a lot of steps. But for me, it's really easy. It might not be easy for you guys, but it's easy for me. There, and the feet. Just gonna pop a little bit of glue down here. Like this. And I'm gonna pop another piece of glue right here. This looks funny. Then I'm gonna pop the hands. Wait, right here. Oh my gosh, this hand's way smaller. It's okay. Just gonna pop a little bit of glue. Like a mustache. Right over here. I love it. It looks really, really good. I'm really proud of this. So, did you guys like this video? I really enjoyed making it. Like, it's an astronaut in outer space out of only paper, hot glue, and paint. It was amazing and I really like this. Give me a like and subscribe. Bye guys!